When planning a home renovation, the hardest part is often just getting started. AI tools can help break through that blank page by generating a wide range of ideas based on your specific space and preferences. For example, you can describe a room's dimensions and your desired style, mid-century modern, farmhouse, minimalist, and the AI will suggest layouts, color palettes, and even furniture arrangements. Some platforms let you upload a photo of your current room, and the AI will overlay potential changes like new flooring or wall colors. Others focus on material selection, offering comparisons between quartz and granite countertops or hardwood versus laminate. The key is to use these suggestions as a springboard, not a final plan. AI can spark possibilities you might not have considered, but your personal taste and practical constraints should guide the final decisions. The takeaway: AI is a powerful brainstorming partner for home renovation, turning vague ideas into actionable options.